space. I have no words. No information found. That is really dope. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I want to take you to another episode of Exploring Shenzhen Marvels. Shenzhen Metro just opened a few weeks ago, 3 more lines. I'm talking 3 huge lines connecting all the city. In total, 72 new subway stations were opened, and today I want to take you to explore these wonderful, amazing stations, because they're not just subway stations. They're really, really incredible. So come with me and explore these new places.
Welcome to Shenzhen Metro.
The stations are not just spacious and practical, they're also beautiful. We have in some stations different kind of effects, like you can see here on our roof, because this place is located near the sea or the coastal line. You can see this kind of effect of water coming out from the edges of the roof, giving the effect or the sensation that you are being near the sea. That is really, really beautiful. Now, technology is absolutely impressive, the way they're using in every single station. We have this virtual assistant here where you can ask questions. Hello, I want to go to Window of the World. No information found. How to get out of the station. So it's showing me the different ways, like you can use the card or scan the QR code. There is a new technology here which is palm vein recognition. They just scan the information on your hands, but I guess you need to register before. Also here, when you're leaving the station, they have facial recognition, but I'm not registered. You need to register before as well. And of course, the regular ways to leave. You have tokens, you have cards, you have QR code, which is the one I always use, just with my phone. Scan QR code and I can leave. Let's explore the station. If you're so tired, you can do like us and fall asleep here. Now we have to go. We came very, very early in the morning to shoot this video. That's why this train is so empty. Look at that. On my previous video, I remember a lot of comments saying that these trains are not driverless. This is the head of the train, and you can see there's nobody driving the train. There's just one person here. It's probably a passenger or maybe some part of the staff of the metro, and they're just simply checking the operation. There's nobody. This is 100% automatic trains that are going from one end to the other end of the line without needing of anybody driving these trains. Something I love about the station in Shenzhen, and actually everywhere in China, is how bright they are. You have lamps and LED lights all around the station, so it's very, very bright. And when the train is approaching, the lights go brighter. that's a sign for you that you need to be aware and be ready to board the trains because it's about to come. Wow, every station is just different from each other, like the design, the lighting, the space. I have no words. I can just spend the whole day going from one station to the other and just like visiting a museum of modern art or something like that. Just amazing. This is the emergency phone. Even here you have a screen and a little camera so you can actually like video call if you have an emergency. That is really dope. There are screens all around the stations. You can see right now that we are on the tracks where you board the trains, and there is this huge screen projecting some kind of information about the metro system. I think in the future it will be used for advertisement, but it's so cool. Like you can see so many new things in every single station, like these screens or these ones on the top of the train. Have here more information, more screens all around the station. It's just, wow, amazing. It says you can enter or have access from this place. In every single area where you have exits or entrances, you will find those LED stripes. This is how this place is going to look in the future. Look how beautiful it looks like. I can't wait for this to get ready and go there and enjoy these wonderful spaces. As you can see, China is reaching a new level when it comes to subway system, infrastructure for transportation, and this is just a little part of what subways in China are. This is Shenzhen, and this is Shenzhen Metro and the beautiful stations that you can find here. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next video. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Folks, I'm gonna be wandering around nice and beautiful places here in China and documenting about it. I will also be Instagramming my day-to-day and my trips in this awesome country. Feel free to follow me and leave your comments and impression over there about life in China. I will leave the link to my account in the description down below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my follow-up stories about what's going on in this part of the world. If you think there might be someone else interested in these kind of videos, please consider sharing. My name is Rafael, thanks for watching, and stay safe until next time.